Hello everyone. The word of the day in the web series of vocabulary is ephemeral. Before I explain word ephemeral, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel Thingill Nexus and press the bell icon to get updates on the future videos. So let's start. Word ephemeral is basically an adjective which means lasting for a very short time. We use word ephemeral to describe something that lasts or continues for a very short time. The other words, the noun of the word ephemeral is ephemerality and the adverb of the word ephemeral is ephemerally. You can take example of word ephemeral in a sentence as success without effort is often ephemeral and quickly fades. Success without effort is often ephemeral and quickly fades. The synonym words you can use for word ephemeral are transient or transient, fleeting, momentary, short-lived. If you talk about antonym words, you can use words like permanent, lasting, enduring, eternal. So this is about our word of the day, ephemeral, which is an adjective and it means lasting for a very short time. Thank you for watching.